Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Babender. Thanks for joining us. The Indiana Pacers are making a move to Muncie. Well, at least for one game. Look for Reggie and the rest of the gang to take on the Washington Wizards at Worthen Arena at 7 p.m. October 11th.
I think it's good for us because it's another partnership with a professional franchise from the state of Indiana. And we saw what happened when we partnered with the Indianapolis Colts earlier this year, and to do that now with the NBA and the Indiana Pacers is really exciting, not only for Ball State, but the Muncie community.
This will be the Pacers' first preseason game of the year. Ticket information for that game will be announced at a later date. Newcastle residents still smell something foul in the air, and the same question remains. Just where is the stench coming from? Newslink Indiana's Mandy Hackman visited the town to try to sniff out some answers.
I don't know. I honestly do not know.
Health and city officials in Newcastle are trying to uncover the source of rank odors after residents complained to the Henry County Health Department as well as the Indiana Department of Environmental Management.
We would like to get to the bottom of it, just as everyone would like to, and we're still working towards that end.
IDEM placed air canisters in 2 locations close to the Metaldyne plant to find out where the smell is coming from. Metaldyne is one of the 2 places people believe the smell is originating from. This corner, I-N 25th, is where health officials took samples of the air to send back to IDEM. The samples, which lasted about 40 minutes, were taken yesterday, and the results will be known within a couple of weeks. The health department and IDEM also toured Metaldyne to see if they could get a whiff of the smell inside, but IDEM officials said Monday they found no violations.
That they've been willing to allow people to come through the plant, not just IDEM officials, but people from the general public. I think that speaks volumes for that they're willing to work with the public to figure out what role, if any, they have.
Rumors Grady Foundry might be the source of the stench are also being investigated. In Newcastle, Mandy Hackman, Newslink, Indiana.
A community meeting about the odor is scheduled for August 10th at 6 p.m. at Newcastle's Chrysler High School. Well, now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. Get a light jacket out. Temperatures are about to tumble. But first, we have to get through some more rain tonight. There's a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, and it'll be quite breezy, and look for a low of 58. Tomorrow, skies will clear, and it will be very cool for this time of year, and the high should reach 74. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 11:27 tonight for more news. And don't forget local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.